Well guys, PJ here, Stll Managed Adventures Fishing. Sorry about that last short video with the wade fishing with my buddy Connor, but I don't like getting whooped up on, and that day I caught one fish. He went down there a couple days ago and caught some big reds and some good flounder, he said, so I'm going back. Maybe I'll meet him this afternoon if I go have enough time. Anyways guys, I'm getting the heck out of Dodge, so appreciate y'all. Give me the thumbs up. Well, hopefully this will be a good video coming up for you. Let's get the heck out of Dodge. All right. Hope the traffic's not too bad getting there. See you there. Well guys, right till I get to my spot, there's a freaking charter guy. He's gonna go dead up where I'm at. Right in the hole. All the days you think nobody's gonna be out here. I'm not griping, I'm just talking. This might sound bad, but all the days I'm out here, you don't think there's gonna be anybody out here with the wind, and there's a charter guy. Right dead in my spot the whole bay. But he's there. I guess this is a test. See if I'm gonna lose my mind or not. Guys, he already got a redfish in my spot. Crazy. Not my spot, but you know, it's a spot. Well guys, hoping I got a fingerprint on the front of my lens here, but oh, this is crazy about fishing. Look at these waves, guys. The wind blowing dead in my face out of the southwest. So I'm gonna go out here. I already walked up here. Didn't want to get, probably can't hear me too good, but I'm gonna go out here where my buddy told me that he caught them keeper redfish, 22 inches, and some flounder. So I'm gonna try it here, guys. Look at this crazy stuff. My house, 2 miles away, no wind. Look at this, white caps. But I'm blessed, look guys, no problem. I'm just talking, I'm not griping. All right guys, I finally got something. Feels good. Oh yeah, it's a good, something good. What the heck do I got here? Keeper red, hopefully. Yep, he's having a good old time here. It's a snook. Good snook. Keep the net here, guys. My still on because my goofy GoPro's got a mind of its own, like normal. All right, not skunked, guys. Alrighty, yeah, man. Stay there, little snookums. Nope, not out of the net. Stay in there. Glad to see these guys are still around. All right, guys. Yeah, good snook here. He's gonna want to go crazy. All right guys, beautiful snook. Good little fight, not skunked, not anything. Keep my fingers out the way. All right, he's a heavy little booger. All right, thank you, man. See you later. All right guys, some jets here, doing some practice stuff. There's his buddies up there. There's two up there. There's one coming in there. All right, cool. It's my cooler, guys. Gotta go get it. I'll be back. Came undone. Well, guys, my cooler came off. I had to go about 100 yards. Through this quicksand to go get it. Oh, crimey. That's my phone in there. All my batteries, my lures. Oh, my new net. It was getting to the deep part where I would have had to swim to it. Yep. Come here, you. Yeah, it's almost right where it would have been over my head. Oh. Jeez. Came right off of there. Put this back on here. My other clamp is gone. Okay. Another one was gone. Okay, guys. Oh, I want to watch this crazy thing. All right. It's almost over my head right here. Have to watch my cooler now for sure. All right, guys. You hear me breathing hard. I usually never breathe hard. But walking through, you take a step and you sink down 6 inches. And then you try and get your foot out and it wants to stay in there. I got a fish, guys. Are you kidding me? Am I? Yeah. I just threw it out there to rest. And it got me a fish. Because this is the deep trough I wanted to get to, but I changed my mind. Ooh. Make sure I set that hook better. Because it was weedless. What do I got? He ain't coming in right now. Still recording. What the heck do I have here? Come here, cooler. I might need the net pretty soon. Gotta be a red, guys. Or a giant snook. Get tired, boy. Whatever you is. I can't see it yet. What is it? Oh, it's a jack. It's a jack, guys. Jack Crevalle. Good one too. Come here, you. Come here, little booger. There we go. Good jack. Oh, a good jack, guys. Cool that. Look at that booger. Little booger, he didn't wait too long. He wanted that thing. All right, relax. That's the biggest jack I caught in a while. And he's get my pliers out here. That booger was, I set that hook good on this thing. Get out of there. Line. All right, guys, I'm still on. Yep, a good jack, good sized jack. All right, brother, thank you. See ya. Oh, guys, I was gonna swim across, but it's the waves is tipping me over almost. So I'm just gonna walk back and fish a little bit on the way back. It's so deep, it's only up to my chest almost. So, all right, guys, I'll be back. What I don't do to catch a fish.